What up, y'all? So just pulled up to a car meet that I didn't even know was going on. It's apparently a Mustang car meet they got going on out here. I actually pulled up a little late and see what they got going on out here real quick, man. They got a few whips, the old school, new school. They look straight for me driving through, but I'm gonna, pull up on them and see what's up. So let's see what they got. Got the old school Mustangs over here. I ain't gonna show they tag. But y'all can see the old school. Got this Gran Torino right here. I think it's a 69. You got a Catalina right here. Clean motor under that junk. If I sound crazy, y'all, because I got my mask on, so. Got the old school Charger over here. Y'all that know they used to be 2-door, they just started doing the 4-doors on the Chargers. That joint is clean. Super clean. Got that RT badge. Y'all see that big block in there. Roll bars and everything in there. Old school Z28. Chevy coming with it. Camaro Z28, y'all. Got the red stripe. Oh, Thunderbird. I ain't seen one of them junks in so long. They clean though. Get the clean inside. Keep it up, and it's a stick. Nah, that ain't a stick. You got a long shifter. We go through here.
I was gonna ask what it was.
You know, got the Roush junk right here. Thing look clean. Y'all see, got that Sinatron too. Then you got the Celine joint here. He's one of my favorite body style too. They really slip on. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. The S197 body style. Y'all see that Celine supercharger on it. Another old school thing. Like I got all the original parts in that joint. Got the casket interior on that motherfucker. I got a casket in it. Just look, that's crazy. I really want one of these just though, for real. And what's crazy, they slick bit off each other a lot back in the day, cause it's a Mero, but on the side they kind of look a lot alike. I do like this interior on the Mero though. And I can't stunt like them old Chevy blocks, them things. They definitely was it back in the day. This man got the whole American flag, everything, the whole American theme on here. You got the bald eagle on the hood. A lot of detail up under his hood on here. And then he got it wrapped all the way around with the flag on here on the bed. The red interior, Grand Sport. Now, I don't know what this is. If y'all know what it is, drop it in the comments, because I don't know. It look crazy. I thought it was a Model T. Like the whole motor after John. Hey, you got Ford on it though. So Ford made some. Let's see. It's a 1925 Ford T-Busket. A Ford T-Busket. I don't know. Never heard of that, but I'm guessing that was one of the first jumps. So, oh, we got the Cuda. He got the Hemi Cuda out there. That's like a new block he got up in this junk. Shaker. See, I just told you I wanted a old school Stang, but I wouldn't mind a Hemi Cuda either. I just don't like the inside of them. But them junks hard though. Now what is this?
That's the same car, same motor that was in that other one.
Ah, for real?
That's the same motor.
Dang. Y'all see that block? I don't know what this is either, but let's see. I don't got it written down on his sticker. That's crazy. Look at them tires though. Clean SS. And this look like the Back to the Future junk right here. That junk look crazy with the doors up. My favorite body style Stang right here. Definitely my favorite body style outside of the one I got now. New generation, drop top. Got the roll bar with the gold Shelby wheels on it. Got them fat quad tips on there. Got that power by 4 badge. Old Stingray Vet. I gotta have a big garage because there's too many cars that I'm gonna mess around and buy just to collect. Especially when it comes to old schools. Look how low this joint is to the ground, fam. That's crazy, but it got so much space in there. That's a caddy. Old school caddy. That's hard. That's hard. And the paint looks super good. Got the Termi over here. Well, I think it's the Terminator. Let me not. Hold on. Is it the Terminator? That's just Cobra. Not the Terminator. They still cold cars though. Y'all look comfortable as hell on the inside, boy. Super comfortable. Another Impala.
Auction items to do. We
it's
can
hard
do 50,
right here.
50 if you
Got the inside customized. Told y'all can do a lot to these cars. This bad boy right here. One slow Shelby. Get the baby seat on top. I told y'all I'm putting the baby seat in mine. I don't care what y'all say. Baby definitely ride with me in my Mustang. We got a couple other ones over here, y'all. Just kind of lined up another GT 350 stock jump, but the stock was definitely clean, more old school Stangs. Old Boss 302, another GT 350. Old Mach 1. I see that Mach 1 badge. Ooh-wee. Can't sleep on the Chevelles, man. Can't sleep on the Chevelle at all. Can't sleep on the Chevelle at all, boy. Definitely one of my favorite cars. I blame Fast and Furious for that because I didn't know what it was until I watched that. But they definitely some cold cars, bro. And it's Z28 sitting pretty though. Look at that. Perfect wheels. And they got his hood. Is that what I think it is? Ooh. They ain't playing out here. Boss 302. A few years back, I thought about getting one of these right here. They cold though.
I mean, there's not.
Definitely cold.
And the only reason I found it was because
Got the old school Buick Regal. Sitting on them things. Sitting on them things, boy. Another old school Camaro.
longtime supporters.
Bro, this Corvette is nice. Like
Helping them to learn to listen.
this color scheme he got going, it's dope. Then y'all see he got the Corvette through the glass. Everything else pretty much stock and color match, but I know it ain't nothing but stickers, but still, you know, it's nice. And you got the same color match up under the hood.
A good chunk of it goes back to our
Showstoppers. Okay, brother.
the services that they receive. So thank you
Definitely
so
catch
much
your
for
eye,
being here
for
today.
sure.
You got great prizes coming your way.
Dude, check out this right here. He got this, I think it's a GT500. Yup. Only one I'm seeing out here. GT500 is nasty, dog. Got the Cobra seats, side splitters, and he got the carbon fiber wheels on it. Okay. Carbon fiber wing.
So come on up, 6 more
You
minutes.
gotta have the snake and them fat ass tips. I love that car, bro. I ain't gonna even lie. The GT500, they nice. I would never buy a GT350 because I feel like it's pointless. I mean, it got a few more horsepower, but that GT500, whew, nasty. Got this bad boy souped up. Got all the extra stuff out. Yeah, they looking good up in there. Got some aftermarket seats. Look like he did a whole interior rebrand on this car. Like, yeah, had to. Paint job look good. Interior, all that look redone and touched up. Like new material. Another Cobra. What you got on that thing, boy? Supercharged him there. SVT. It's the old GT5. Well, not old. I ain't gonna say old. Okay. Another GT350. But he got a Whipple on his. Okay. This is the only way I would probably get a GT350. It gotta have some type of supercharger on it, because otherwise, to me, it's pointless. That's just me personally, but still a cold car. Like, yeah, he got the blue stripes on here. Like how he did the blue stripes. He got it to match his badge. It's simple, but you know, he's still hard out here. Got the badge color matched up top too. Another GT350. Man, it's a lot of them out here today. But it is a Mustang meet. Another Cobra. And I like the color on this jump right here. That dark green, that emerald green. Love the color. Everything look original pretty much for the most part up in here. The white top. No, that's some old. The white tops. You don't never see no white tops no more. Another Hemi Cuda, bro. Woo. Look at the lip on this junk. Put my whole shoe in the lip of that wheel. Got the shaker on here. Cold as hard. This one over here hiding, but it's nice. Got that original blue on it. Classic. Everything look original on the inside. But nah, there may be some aftermarket seats he got. With the block and everything. It's nice. Get the hood pins hanging. Don't play with them. Don't y'all play with them. Alright, so I'm pretty much seeing most everything that was left out here. And I'm gonna be honest, if I had to pick 3 cars if I could drive out right now, from what I seen here at the car show, one's definitely gonna be the GT500. Gotta go with the GT500. I don't care if it's one of the new ones out here. I mean, just look at the motor, look under the hood, bro. Like, it's so well put together and full, and you can't go wrong with the supercharger on it, man. You just can't. Then you got the carbon fiber wheels on it, the Brembo brakes. His seats, you know, they stock, but they still nasty. Then you got this huge carbon fiber wing, and the snake big as all outdoors on the back. Definitely got to go with that one being number 1 for me. Let me show y'all the second one. I had to take home what it would be. Alright, so number 2 for me that's still here, if I had to take, it would be the Hemi Cuda, this black and white one. Y'all know I'm a Mopar fan, man, so, well, I'm an all car fan. I ain't gonna even just say that. I love cars, period, no matter what brand, but definitely love Mopar. And this Cuda just nasty. Like, I wish dude was over here so he could start it up. Definitely in my top 3 for me personally from the show. And they got the new school shaker on top. Can't go wrong with that. Alright, y'all, so number 3 for me. Hopefully y'all can hear me because I know the loudspeaker kind of loud. It's gonna be the Z28 Camaro.
And we appreciate that. One thing that
the tires, the wheels,
very near and dear to our heart that we've not mentioned today,
interior of it.
But if you noticed on the dash plaque, that dash plaque was in memory of a fellow named Rod Reed.
It's just hard.
Rod Reed was that moved. He worked for Coca-Cola, moved down to Texas, and amassed quite a car collection. Was a good friend of our club. He would drive back from Texas every year, bring all the Coke products, and 3 of us.
Alright, y'all, so y'all got my top 3 that I personally would go with for top 3 cars at the car show for me that I would take home. They had some real nice cars, and like I said, I got here late. Let me take this mask off. Shit. So I got here late, so you know I probably missed a lot of cars they had out here earlier. But from what I seen, man, they still had some nice whips out here. But yeah, for me, the GT500, the Hemi Cuda, and that Z28 Camaro. That's what I'm taking home. All 3 brands, all 3 muscle car brands. So I'm gonna get out of here, man. Finish the rest of my day. Holler at a few of these people, and then we're gonna keep the day moving, man. Oh. Now I gave y'all 3, but my number 4, honorable mention. I ain't gonna lie, it's this Charger. Mopar got 2 in my top 4. I ain't gonna lie. From under the hood to the body, y'all look how fat the Mickey Thompsons is on here. You got the pipe coming out the side. Can't go wrong with the black on it. Then you got the roll bars, the roll cage up in here. We ready to go. Definitely ready to go. Love that car. So it's pretty funny being out here, man, because it ain't really nobody else out here with a camera outside of, they phone. So where I'm at, I guess, you know, thing used to YouTube was mid out here or whatever. Yeah, a lot of people kind of looking at me weird or whatever, but people was cool. Most of them anyway, you know. Anyway, like I said, we done with the car show. With the rest of the day going. Appreciate y'all checking out this video, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. All the new content coming to the channel, make sure you got your post notification bell turned on. And as always, stay locked in, stay cruising with your boy. We'll catch y'all on the next video.